In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Square with Shopify. First, let's set expectations. Square and Shopify don't integrate natively for online payments. Shopify's official checkout doesn't support Square as a direct payment gateway. That means you can't simply turn on Square at Shopify checkout and call it a day. If you plan to accept online payments in Shopify, you'll need to use a payment gateway that Shopify supports, or pursue a custom workaround outside of standard settings. Keep this in mind as we move forward because it shapes what is actually possible. What you can successfully integrate is everything around your product and sales data. Your point of sale activity, your product catalog, and your inventory counts across both platforms. This is ideal if you sell online with Shopify and in person with Square, and you want your stock levels and product information to stay in sync. To make this work, use a middleware app. A popular choice is ecommerce. With ecommerce, you connect your Shopify store and your Square account, then choose what to sync. You can mirror product names, prices, descriptions, and images so your catalog is consistent on both platforms. Once products are linked, you can turn on two-way inventory synchronization so that a sale in Square POS reduces available stock in Shopify, and an online order in Shopify reduces inventory shown in Square. Many merchants also enable order syncing, which helps you keep records aligned across systems for reporting and fulfillment. Another solid option is the DPL Square integration available in the Shopify App Store. It focuses on product import and export and enables two-way inventory sync between Shopify and Square POS. If you already have a clean product catalog with consistent SKUs, this can be a fast path to keeping quantities accurate in both places without manual adjustments. If you need more tailored workflows, consider automation tools like Zapier or Albato. These services let you set up triggers and actions, such as when an order is created in Shopify, create a corresponding order or record in Square, or the other way around. This is helpful for tighter back-office alignment, though you'll still rely on Shopify's supported gateway for online payments and Square for in-person transactions. In short, think of this as a bridge for data, not for checkout. You get a unified catalog and consistent stock whether a sale happens online or at the counter, while payments remain separate on each platform. Configure your sync carefully, test with a few products first, and once it looks right, enable full synchronization to keep both systems in lockstep.